Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to sell digital products on Etsy from Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to sell digital products on Etsy. There are actually 4 steps on how. So first is do product and market research. In order for you to do that, you can actually go to this website, which is etsyhunt.com. So in this website, you could actually see all the products that are actually sellable and what are the total sales, total reviews, total favorites, and the 7-day sales of that specific product on your specific niche. So say for example, we're going to have digital products right here, and then you can actually see its price, the days, its total sales, its total reviews, and total favorites as well. So there are actually a lot and various of websites that you can actually go to. One of that is it's very reliable, which is Sales Samurai. However, with Sales Samurai, you need to have a subscription with that one, and Etsy Hunt is just one of the free versions of Sales Samurai. So here you can actually see your product keyword shops and the operations there. Okay, our product research doesn't end here though. So to continue with our product research, what we are going to do is to go to our Etsy. So when we go to etsy.com, all you need to do is to simply search for the digital product that you would like to sell. So let's enter it right here. Say for example, you would like to produce like digital products. There are actually various of digital products that you can sell on Etsy. Those are like ChatGPT listing generators, planners, and the like. So let's take a look at this listing right here. There. As you can see, you can actually see the price, how many people have favorited it, if you want to add it to cart, and there are also reviews being added onto it. Now here in the first section, you could actually see a series of pictures where you can it's listing pictures, what's included, how you can download it, what's in it basically. So in that one, or in that sense, we would also create these kinds of materials or these kinds of pictures in Canva. All right, so there you can see the reviews and its ratings as well. All right, so for digital products, its delivery it's an instant download. It's actually depending what kind of file type. It's being shown in the description basically, and also in the highlight section. All right, now moving on to our second process or second step. The next step is to identify the gap in the market. So to identify the gap in the market, all you need to do is to simply go to etsy.com and continue researching. So if there's a specific niche that you would want to go into, then you could actually check out what kind of designs are not yet applicable in the market, and maybe you can actually tweak and change that one. Or if there is a specific niche in the market or a specific design in the market that already is existing, you can actually check it out, and you could take a look whether or not what you can do to make it different from the other sellers or the other designs that is available in the market. So say for example, you would like to create a digital planner. So there are actually different types of digital planners. There's like a wedding planner, There are also like digital undated planners, monthly planners, daily planners, and the like. So that's actually up to you guys whether or not what kind of niche you're going to dive right into. So, say for example, you would like to create a financial planner, which is actually very applicable up to this date. And you just need to look into further research here in Etsy whether or not financial planners are really a thing, or is it a hit, or a lot of people are actually using that one. So basically, it's still a continuation of your market research. All right, now let's move on to the next step, or the next thing that we need to do. Of course, now here is the highlight, and what we're going to do is to create in Canva. So here in Canva, there are actually two types of plans. That's the pro plan and the free plan. So basically, it's okay if you're using the free plan. However, I highly suggest that you actually use the pro plan for you to also experience all the things that Canva has to offer. So here in Canva, say for example, you would like to sell digital planners. There you just need to click or search for digital planners, and they're actually pre-existing templates that you can actually use, and you just need to tweak and you know um you just need to revise, edit the design, make it your own basically. Now, here there are actually different types of planners that Canva is also offering. Say, for example, this financial planner. All you need to do if you want to customize this template is to click on that specific design and click on customize template afterwards. And then basically you will be routed into the design page, and right there you just need to tweak and design how you would want it to be seen. And also in your Canva, you also need to create your listing pictures. Now, lastly, what we're going to do is to create our listing. Now, here, what we're going to do is to go to our Etsy sellers account, and here in the left-hand panel, you can actually see the listing section. Under the listing section, what you're going to do is to click on the upper right-hand corner and add a listing. So to add a listing, let's click on this button here. Alright, and once you've clicked on the button, what you're going to do next is that you just need to fill in all the necessary information here in this section. That includes your title, the price, inventory, the variation, the details, shipping. But of course, with shipping, it does not apply to us. But basically, there's no return and exchange policy when you're actually selling a digital product in Etsy. And one thing that you need to know is that each listing actually costs $0.20 or $0.20 of each listing. So there. Also, please remember to select a category that's related to digital. And also here in your detail section, when you add your core details, click on digital files as well. Alright, and then once done, you just need to click on apply. If you do have select production partners, then you could also add them up right there and hit on publish afterwards. So basically, that's how you can sell your products on Etsy from Canva. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, guys, and thank you so much for watching.